Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to demonstrate adding clip art to your website at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to log into our account, get our username and our password. Okay, that's going to take us to dashboard on the main menu. We'll get rid of this. We'll go ahead and go full screen. To work on your website, you can go to the website button. You can create a page or a post or edit a page or a post. You can add the clip art here while you're working on your website, or you can preload the clip art under your content button. That's the option we're going to use for the moment. And so we're going to click on content, and from there we're going to click on free images. This is where you're going to find the clip art. And there's a lot of searches you can use. You can use clip art one word or clip art 2 words, and you're going to find all sorts of different options. But if you want to narrow it down, what I find is just to do the individual words, like coaching. So coaching, you're going to find some clip art mixed in here. Let's go to the next screen. And this one looks really good. So we're going to go ahead and use this image, and we're going to preload it. So that's preloaded here. Let's go back to free images. We'll cancel out of that search and get to a new search. The next one I want to do is webinar. And we're going to search webinar. And this one looks really good, so let's go ahead and load that one. I'm going to use that image. And back to free images and clear the search. And then a couple more we want to do real quick. Success is one that you may want to use that you might find helpful for your website. So let's go to the next. And let's see here, one more. There's one individual particular picture that I'm looking for. And there it is. So this is the one I want to use right here. Use this image. And back to free images, new search. And the next word we're going to do is sign up. And let's go to the next page. Okay, there's a good sign up button right there. We're going to use that image. And back to free images. And let's do one more search. Whoops. And let's go to button. And that's a good one right here. That's a good button. So let's go ahead and use that image. And now all these that I'm loading, these are all loaded under my images. So you see that we loaded all these. We also loaded this click here button earlier too. So we loaded all those, and those are all found under the free image search. And like you can do button, let's cancel this out. You can do button clip art. And you'll see that there's not as much stuff there. So, you know, if you use the word clip art or clip art in 2 words, you can search that way. And there's some good options for buttons. But I find the best way to do is just to do the word and then search for the clip art. So now let's go ahead and let's tab over. Let's go to website button real quick here. And we're going to tab over to our AAA webinar outdoor scenes. And we actually created a blog post using clip art. So this is the website that we've been using for our webinars, one of the 2 websites. And this is a new blog post that we created, Hiking Opportunities. You can see we used the coaching clip art there. And then join one of our upcoming events. And we have the success picture here. We did image left and then the words on the right. We did the sign up button. We made that clickable. You can, you know, click it up to a scheduler or to a standalone page, whatever you want to do. There's some more clip art that we used. Sign up for our webinar. We'll be live from Yosemite Valley, California. Click here to sign up. So then they just click on that and you just have that linked up to wherever you want them to sign up to. So let's go back to Connect. And we're on website. Let's go to the post real quick. This is the post that we created. Let's go ahead and edit the post. And to create this post, we did image left here. So the image is here, the text is on the right. We made that clickable, and we linked it up. And the same here, image left, text on the right. We made that clickable. We did that with the image left button. And then right down here, we're going to go ahead and add one more piece of clip art real quick. So we're going to click on the Insert Edit Image icon, the search folder. We're going to do the free images. We're going to do tree, and this time we're going to write clip art in. And let's go ahead and use this one. Use this image. Hit OK. And there it is down here. It's a little bit large. So we're going to shrink it up a little bit more. There we go. We added some clip art to the bottom just to decorate the page a little bit. So let's go ahead and update that. And let's go back to our AAA outdoor scenes. We're going to refresh, Control F5. We do a hard reset, and there it is. There's the other piece of clip art that we added to our post. So those are our blog posts. Let's go back to Connect and go back to Dashboard. And then also, if you want to follow us on social media, go to Dataczar.com and click on our social media and follow us at Dataczar Corp. I'm not going to show you that today, but just go to Dataczar.com and then follow us at Dataczar Corp. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And that's it. That's adding clip art to your website with Dataczar Connect.